What's going on, everyone? So this is my unboxing of my Corsa headers that I just ordered for my 2017 Shelby GT350. I haven't seen a lot of reviews or unboxing or anything related to these headers. Doesn't seem like a lot of people know about them. The only place that I know of that you can get the Corsa headers for your Shelby GT350 is Lethal Performance. So I don't know if that may be one of the issues or what, but the only reason I even found out about them was I was on Corsa's website and just happened to look up my car, and it gave me a link to Lethal Performance. So that's, and Corsa makes amazing products. What should be in here should be the Corsa headers and the Corsa Double Helix X pipe. That's what I ordered. I got a separate box, and I assumed that was my X pipe, but it was not. It was just the mid pipes. So we're going to go ahead and open it and see what's in here. And of course, I love this right here. It says "Go Fast Goodies" inside. Lethal Performance. That's pretty cool. I like that. Alright, so you get a small box with your O2 extensions, all the hardware, collector gaskets, and I'm hoping there's actually a set of exhaust manifold gaskets. And there is, which is awesome. Thank God for that. Gotta have exhaust manifold gaskets, obviously. And it does come with a cool sticker, so that's literally why we buy these parts, is for the stickers. I don't know about y'all, but that's the only reason I buy Go Fast Goodies. All right, let's see what else is in the box. Here we go. There's one header, which looks like it's the passenger side, because if it was on the driver's side, it'd be popping out of the hood, and that's no good. And then also the driver's side header. And it looks like it's wrapped really well. Oh yeah. And all the welds, of course, look really good. So my buddy Drew will be happy about that. That's my go-to welder. Matter of fact, I might actually give him a shout out in this video and put his YouTube channel in the description. He's got an amazing Mustang that he's built from scratch pretty much, and it's pretty awesome. But yeah, so this was the unboxing, my review of the unboxing, and the quality of the components and what all is there. Everything is literally there when you buy the headers. So you got your collector gaskets, you got your exhaust manifold gaskets or header gaskets now, O2 extensions, all new bolts. There's also a pack of anti-seize in there as well. I mean, it's packaged really well. I like it when companies actually go above and beyond providing all the necessary stuff for you. I'm sure there might be something that pops up, but as far as I can tell, everything's grade A, and I should have everything there to do the install pretty naturally, which I'm going to actually have the shop that does all my tuning. I'm actually going to get them to do the exhaust system on the car. I'm not going to do it myself this time. So that's it. But yeah, I give it a 5 out of 5. I mean, Corsa, I don't know if you're familiar with them or not. They make awesome products. My X pipe obviously wasn't in here, so I ordered the headers with the X pipe. So now I need to figure out where that is so that I can set this up for an install and get it tuned and everything, because I want to see what it'll do on 93 octane. Obviously, that's all it can run. Can't run anything less, especially with I think it's a 12-to-1 compression ratio from the factory on those motors. And but yeah, so that's my review. 5 out of 5. Everything's there. Looks awesome. quality is top notch. So thank you for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and you got the information you needed. But I will be posting a video after the install on the dyno and all that stuff, and get that to you. So I appreciate it, and thank you so much for checking it out. Peace.